Hi everybody. This short video demonstrate how to install the Swing libraries in Java for the purpose of writing a graphical user interface. Uh, for start, in order to install that, you need to go to Help, click on Help, and under Help, click on Install New Software. When I click on New Software, you go down here on pull down menu. It depends on what versions you have. We have in here Neon, so you go to HTTP download Eclipse org releases and whatever version you have. Of course, the latest one is Neon, so you click on that one, and you notice there it says pending here. Pending, it means it's going to bring all what's in new releases on downloads from Eclipse. And of course, we're going to choose only the Swing libraries for and the window applications for developing graphical user interfaces in Java. Of course, this depends on your internet connections. It's fast or slow. I'm gonna just wait for it for a couple of seconds. There it is. So you go down here, down on this menu here, and you click on General Purpose Tools. There it is. Click on it, and of course there's a long list here. Based on this list, all you're gonna go for the S, which is the Swing. So I can click. Look at that. S Swing Designer. There you go. This one. Just click these ones, select them, SWT Designer Core, and so on. Designer Documentation, SFD, TM Terminals, it is. And of course, the Windows as well, the Core, there it is. And there you go, and Windows. That is, they're all been done, and all you do, click on Next here. And of course, it's going to download this for you. Here they are. So these are the ones you wanted. Yes, you look at them, it says yes, fine. I click on these ones and say, yeah, go ahead. And you need to agree or accept the license. It is, and finish. That, of course, is going to install all the software for you. As I said, this depends on your internet connections. If it's fast, so it's because I'm the university now. The connection is pretty fast. So it's going to take, of course, it's going to take a bit of time. Keep in mind, as soon as it finish installing the software, it's going to ask you to need to restart Eclipse again. The reason for that, because it needs in reality to when shut or close Eclipse and restart again to put all these installations and the new Swing libraries into Eclipse. You can see the progress. This is going fast in here. There you go. So wait for it till it finishes. Of course, this would help us to write the graphical user interface in Java in a very fast way and enjoyable way. So rather than writing the program from scratch, you can use just drag and drop buttons, and the designs already has been done. Plus, most of the coding has been done by Eclipse for you. This will help you to concentrate on developing more complicated and more advanced graphical user interfaces. So we're still waiting for it as well. So this is required, and there you go. Hopefully, taking time. Of course, on Windows, similar Windows as well. That's of course. I must say, admit in Windows, just in case, when you install in Windows, it comes in here. Of course, you have this one. If you look at this one, this will give us for the classes and the project. There's going to be a new one next to it. It says for the Swings and Windows, right? But for Mac, so you don't need to worry about that, because that's going to be under the same one, but it's different from layout from Windows. Right, I'm gonna pause the program for recording until this one download, but I think it's started again, so there's no point. Here it is. You can see it's coming now. It is, hopefully. Whenever we decide start, it's going slow, so it's committing all the provision operations. That's what it says. So most of the work for downloading is done now. Just in a matter of installing the software, which shouldn't take that long. As I said before, as soon as that's finished, it's gonna ask you to restart Eclipse again. Automatically does it for you. Close it, but it needs confirmations from the user. Right, I think I'll pause it, and then we'll go back as soon as I receive the message. Yeah. Right, now it's finished, and here's the message. It says you need to restart Eclipse for the change to take effect. We like to restart now, so it asks for confirmations, and soon you say yes. And you need to do that. Here it is. Start again and start Neon. That's what the new libraries installed as well. We're gonna see here, and that's what helps you see the SWT. Tells you here actually which one is using here. And of course, close this one here. Look at that, what we've got here. We have this and here, and there's one next to it. If you notice here, swings, SWT. We've got these libraries here. So whatever you want to do, Eclipse, it is, window applications, and so on. Face, frames, and here you go. All of these you have in here. On the swings, of course, you have a frame. Here's a frame, and as soon as you do whatever folder, of course, I've got a folder here says Graphical User Interface. I'm going to put in this folder. Here it is. There you go. So it's okay. This one, and I'm going to say, for instance, I'm going to cut my first swing. This is just demonstrate actually what I'm going to give for you in here, and of course, there you go. As soon as you do finish, they create the code, all the code for you. Here it is. So you can see the code here is created for you, and we've seen that we've done that by hand previously. If you notice, this part is done by hand, and here at the moment you can see that it's done for you. Of course, how to deal with that, something we're going to discuss later, and show you some other videos. Thank you very much, and I hope you find that's a way how you install swing libraries into the Eclipse. Thank you very much. Wish you best of luck. Thank you.